I wanna show you how to add cinematic speed ramp effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. Just position the timeline to the point where you want that effect will start. Press Ctrl K to make the cut. Just select the second clip, right click of the mouse, speed and duration, change the value to 2500. By time interpolation, just select the optical flow. Come back to your video clip, just position the timeline to the end of the video, right click of the mouse, speed and duration, and change the value to 100. And by time interpolation, select the frame sampling. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.